All right, so this is something I've wanted to try for a while. Do a little video and a shooting and then getting some target footage with the drone instead of having it through, you know, like a telescope or a spotting scope, whatever. So I've got the drone out there. I had to sync the video and everything like that. So I've got dope on this from yesterday. I'm just gonna use the same thing. Oops. So I'm gonna have to shoot, and then I'm actually gonna have to fly the drone too. So it's gonna take just a little bit of time, and I've only got 3/4 battery right now because they discharge over time, and I left them sit for a couple days. So get this thing ready to roll. So I'm gonna shoot at this pig target. Let me get this set a little better. The pig target's on the right. Just trying to get out of the flight path and out of the area for spalling. I don't want to take my drone down with some spall. So this first target, I think it's like 340 yards or something. I don't remember. I just have the dope on it. I'm shooting a 260 Remington. That's 1.2 mils of hold right now, or dial, I guess. A little too much mag here. My parallax set real quick. It's pretty good. I've got a left to right wind, maybe 7 or 8 miles per hour right now, somewhere in there. So maybe we'll give it 2 plugs. I think I hit it center there. That primer was upside down. That's funny. Don't see that too often. Another center punch on her. So now I got to move the drone over. It's a little breezy out there, so it moves around a little bit, but it's not too much where the GPS won't hold it. Trying to kind of watch it. The targets are actually kind of hard to see on the screen. My iPhone's not too bright in the sun. I think I found him. And my flying's not going to be very cinematic looking. Just trying to get it over there and get it on target, so to speak. I'll probably just shoot at that bigger target on the right. Shift over a little bit. This one's at 530 yards or so. 2.8 mils of dial. Breeze is up a little now. A little more wind than I thought. Hit it on the right edge there. Centered it up. Let's move the drone over a little bit. I've got a couple targets over here on this ridge, and they are at 747 yards, I think. There we are. I'll bring it to the side a little. I'll shoot that silhouette first, I think. That's 4.9 mils dialed. I think I was holding 6/10 of wind on that last target, so we're probably gonna hold about, I'd say 9/10 on this silhouette at least. Yesterday's wind was 1 mil, but it's not quite that high, so we'll see what happens here. This stock length of pole is too short for me. I need to do something about that. Too much wind I held. There we go. Centered that up. See if we can hit the other one. Got it. So that's 747 yards. I think that's maybe an 8-inch target. So we're about an MOA there, I think.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
Level low? It's barely been running. I'm gonna leave it because I think I can bring it back in time. It says it's got to return though. Maybe I better. Alright, I wanted to shoot this far target still, so I changed batteries and I'm running the drone back out there. That far one's like 875 yards. And are these shots impressive? No, not really, but I just think it's cool to have the 2 camera angles on it. So I'm gonna run it out, try that real quick. Seems like I only got 1 round left in the magazine, so that was kind of an oversight. Should have 2 left, but that 1 round had an upside down primer. Guess whose fault that was? Couple of ravens out. I hope they don't attack the drone. I have a lot of trouble hitting these targets for some reason. I don't know if the wind really shifts in that bowl. There's a big ridge there. You can see the ridge right there. It's actually pretty tall. It's probably 15-20 feet. But we'll see. And maybe I should grab a couple more rounds. Should have just brought these out to begin with. This is a pretty sweet little holder my friend Colin Fossen makes up there in Wyoming, called Fihu Outdoors. It keeps your empty brass on the outside with that mesh, so all the dirt and whatever else, twigs and stuff like that, will fall out, and then it just leaves your brass. Pretty slick. All right, there's a few more. See what we can do here. We're gonna dial up to 6.4 mils. Pretty decent wind. I'd say we're gonna have to hold 9/10 or a mil on that, maybe 1.1. Check my parallax real quick. Here we go. There's a lot of mirage. The glass in this scope isn't the best, but it gets the job done. I'll shoot at the brown target on the left. It's a little bigger. Here we go. I'll bracket it between 9/10 and 1.2. Got it, center. Try to hit the white one on the right. It's a little smaller by a few inches. Got it, center low. That one went high, so maybe that wind swirling in there a little bit. We'll go back to the brown one on the left. It's not painted. Got it. It's getting pretty hard to see with the Mirage, but you guys get the point. Just off the right, the wind's a little shifty. Feels like I got another round in there. I'll send one more. Got it. No, I didn't. Just under. It's a little shifty, but you guys get the point. So I'll edit this up a little bit, see if I can't get it to jive and whatever, and see if the sound's good and all that. But that's okay.